let's solve the same problem that we solved with the TI by hand. So I just want to show you an example where you actually use the formulas that were given in the book by explaining to you what each letter means. So I want to solve the same problem that you see here using this formula. So here P stands for present value, so it's going to be 11,000. R stands for the rate, so it's given to be 5%, which we are going to transform into 0.05. So you see there is a difference between this one and the one in the calculator. So here we actually transform it into a decimal. N is the number of times the interest is computed. So because they said monthly, I'm just going to put 12. If they say quarterly, we put 4. If they said annually, we would put 1. T is 4 years. So now having all this, I'm just going to plug them into the formula. So it's going to be 11,000 times 0.05 over 12, everything divided by 1, sorry, no parentheses. And I'm gonna erase this from here just to make some room and to be neat here. 1 minus 1 plus 0.05 divided by 12 times to the power of negative 12 times 4. So now let's put all this in the calculator and let's compute it. So let's calculate just the numerator first, because it's easier. So 11, instead of writing all of them, 11,000 times 0.05. Oops, I didn't write 0.05, so I'm going to go here on top of 5, and I'm going to put 0 and 5. Everything divided by 12. Oops, and again, I want to put 12. Enter. So I get at the top 45.833. So I'm just going to write all the 3's in there. Because if you don't, then you're just not going to get the right answer. And now I'm going to write the denominator. So it's going to be 1, I'm going to calculate just that, minus, put parentheses, 1 plus 0.05 divided by 12, close parentheses, raised, you see this is the button for raised, to, well, negative, so be careful, there are 2 buttons, one is negative and one is minus. We are going to use negative. Most of the time, if you confuse them, you're going to get an error. So negative, and I can put 48 right away because I know how to do that one. And press enter. So the bottom is 0.18092899831. So now I'm going to recopy the numerator. So 45.83333. How many 3's? 7. Just be careful. I think my fingers are too big for these buttons. Divided by, and I want to copy 0.180. You can copy all that, or you can just press second minus, because that's the answer, the previous answer, and press enter, and we get 253.32, exactly what we got when we used the calculator. I hope this helps.